Stop it. Go, Bailey. Bailey, go. Well, I might have got a new knife. And my mom doesn't know. And it's not this one. You know, this is my pearl, not a real switchblade, but looks like a real one. But it's not, it's a folder. Not sure if I could show it on camera. Oh, it's a knife I've been really wanting. Oh. Knife I've seen in a lot of action movies. It's this! I'm just kidding. No, that's not the knife. Don't know how I'm gonna actually show this off. From Charade. Call it the John Wick knife. Don't tell my mom about this. I'll let you guess what it is. I'll let you guess what you think it is. Is this giving it away? This is a window breaker. This is a safety switch. A lock to arm it. And it's kind of scary. Oh, that wasn't dramatic. Come on. Need some more. There we go. I bought a OTF knife. Double edge. Don't know why you put serrated on it, but I guess you can. I don't know, I'm trying to grab it like it's not double edged. I'm not used to double edged knives. Never owned a double edged knife. Except for a sword, okay? But not freaking pocket knife. God, this is not double edged. Oh man, my mom's gonna kill me. But hey. You wanna see something? Watch this. I still can't use this like that. Holy moly. Yeah. The only problem I got with this, when you push it, it goes from all the way over here to all the way over here. So when you use two hands basically. So if I might die. Not literally, but my mom's probably gonna be pissed when she finds that I'm on a freaking knife. Wow. You know my wow, no. What's it called? My gambit. Mom got pissed when I bought that. And she also got pissed when my stepdad bought another knife for me. And I bought another freaking knife. Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? And the problem with that knife here in Mishawaka, you can own one, but you can't carry it. I probably could get in trouble carrying this, but I carry it anyways. Because it looks like a stiletto knife. But it's not. Sorry, went quiet there for a minute. That hurt something. Just enjoying life while I can. Love you, Mom. I know she doesn't watch YouTube, but if she ever does, I love you, Mom. Oh, my dog. That's all I gotta say. Thank you.